Hi everyone, this is Laksh from Team Online, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your online store in just 5 minutes. By the end of this video, we'll be learning how to sign up and set up your online store, how to create categories and add products to it, and how you can share it with your customers. So let's get started. No matter what kind of business you have, restaurant, grocery, clothing, or any kind of product or service, you can easily take your business digital with Online's easy platform. You don't require any technical skills or any costly help. You can get started right away from your phone or your laptop anytime, anywhere. Now, in order to create your online store, you need to sign you up first. To sign up, visit www.online.in, and on the home page, you'll find a quick sign up box. Start by entering your details. Enter your name, mobile number, email address, and create a strong password for your account. After all the details are filled, complete the CAPTCHA to verify that you are not a robot and click on the submit button. Once this is done, you'll be taken to the Online's dashboard where you need to select a plan appropriate to your business to activate your account. Alright, let's get your store set up. From the dashboard, go to All Store List and click on Add Store. You'll go through a quick 5-step registration process to get everything ready. In the step 1, which is registration, enter your store name and a SEO heading. Choose your language and create a unique link for your store. Select your currency and business category and add a short store description. In the last, create a customized footer text for your store. Coming to the next step, banner and logo. Upload your store banner and logo. We provide the ideal dimensions to keep it clear and professional. Moving forward to the next step, which is step 3, contact info and social links. Enter your contact email, phone, and WhatsApp number. Add social media links like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter if you have them. Coming to your next step, which is step 4, address. Input your business address, including area, city, state, and country. Moving forward to the last step, which is step 5, theme selection. Choose a theme and color that matches your brand style. Complete these steps and your store will be all set up and ready to go live. Now that you have your store ready, let's add some products to it. First, we'll create a category. From the dashboard, navigate to Stores option, under which you will find the Categories option. Click on the Categories option to open the category page. Here, click on Add Category option to open the category creation window. Choose a thumbnail and create a category name and click on the Create button. That's it, your category is created. Great, now it's time to add some products. Navigate to the Products option under the drop-down. Here, click on Add Product to open the product creation page. Start by filling in the details here. Start by selecting the category and subcategory if applicable. Choose your product images. Enter the product or service name. Enter an SKU number if it's available. Below that, you will find the product or service description. Given the important details regarding the product or service over here. Select the number of units the price is applicable to. Select the unit you are dealing in. Select the option where do you want to display the units as words, yes or no. Select the option to show price or hide price. After that, enter the regular price and sales price and click on add product. And that's it, your product is added to your store. And there you have it, your online store is fully ready, stocked up with products, loaded with features and ready to share it with your customers. With online, growing your business is quick and easy. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos and we'll be sharing you more tips and tricks on how to grow your business using online. And remember, if you need any help, our support team is always there for you. Thanks for watching and good luck with your online store.